Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to repair League of Legends client. In order to repair the League of Legends client, firstly you need to head to the search panel of Windows. From here type Riot client, then click on open. After coming into Riot client and clicking the open button, head to the profile section from top right hand side and go to settings. After that, click on League of Legends. In here you will find the repair button. By pressing on this repair button, it will repair both your client and your game. So just click on the repair button and it will download all the necessary files. After the repair is done, exit, go to League of Legends, click on the play button to enjoy the game further.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.